Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Palantir stock. So let's do the price action analysis on this thing. Can we continue higher on Palantir? What is the price action telling us? Levels to watch. Let's talk about all of that. Now, before that, I also want to let you know none of this is any financial advice and it's only for education purposes. So the first thing, this blue box, where did it come from? Well, it came from my last video. You can check that out on my channel. So this is back when I did a video when we had this huge supply zone and a sell-off here. And I mentioned that, well, yes, so this is the level you are still watching, the blue box. In this blue box, if it can hold itself around here, consolidate, this can continue higher because we are still technically in an uptrend. Palantir is just doing that. If we would have just not, well, if we would have lost the blue box and lower, we had to lose 50 days moving average as well. But that's why the blue box is here, because to watch for the consolidation potential and a potential support back to the upside. And that's what we are getting. So yes, Palantir is technically, overall structure is bullish on this thing. And it found the support at 20 days moving average as well with the blue box. Now, we have the supply zone here enacted still. It still has its influence in the same area of $25.45. So can Palantir go up again from here, 25 and 50 cents? Well, for that, we'll have to go to the hourly interval first, and let's talk about there. So we are technically intraday in the bullish structure, and as I told you that there's a huge supply zone sitting here. So what you have to watch, if any pullback comes, but that pullbacks, let's say even if it comes until $24.53, that will just be a pullback, and then you have to see around in this area wherever this pullback holds, consolidation, double bottom or support. If it can continue to hold it, this can continue still higher. Take partial profits at this level of $25.49 and level by level to the upside, and with the stop loss on the other side, right? So in this case, the stop loss would be on the other side. But anyways, this was the area where Palantir gave us the long position, right? Holding the support into the blue box. Right now, structure is still in an uptrend. As long as we still stay above $24.64 area or $24.54 area, right? There's a range here. As long as pullback stays above it, Palantir is still just intraday bullish and can just continue higher. Guys, that's pretty much it. And even if Palantir has to, let's say, fall from here, it will take a couple of days and weeks before the structure breaks. Right now, yes, even after the supply zone, because we held this level above $23.93, does still holding above the pivot, one of the pivots. Yes, that's a sell-off, but that was a pullback sell-off, breaking one of the levels. And when we have these extensions, take partial profits out in the extensions, because extensions usually comes back to the previous pivot area and or 20 days moving average, and then that's the area to play the pullback with the stop loss on the other side, and then take partial profits out at the next level. So that's what Palantir has given us. And yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. Gave you the levels, gave you what potentially how this could be traded further up from here. And at this point, if we have to break the structure, well, without going further up, it has to lose the level of $23.93, which right now seems like won't happen for at least a couple of days. So in my opinion, pullbacks, when you see consolidation double bottom, pullbacks are just a buy in my opinion. All right, well, that's it for this video, guys. And if you found it helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next videos. Bye.